Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on PC using a controller. First, understand that Valorant is designed for mouse and keyboard, so native controller support is not available. To bridge this gap, you will need to use third-party remapping software. This process involves assigning keyboard and mouse actions to your controller's buttons and sticks. While it presents a unique challenge, it is certainly achievable with the right setup and practice. Next, you will need to choose your remapping software. Two popular choices are Rewast and Steam Input. Rewast is a powerful, paid application known for its deep customization capabilities, supporting many different controller types. Alternatively, Steam Input is a free, built-in feature for those who launch Valorant through Steam, offering a robust set of remapping tools. Consider which option best fits your budget and desired level of control over your setup. Now, let's talk about configuring your controller layout. You will want to map your movement, typically WASD, to the left analog stick. The right analog stick should control your aiming and camera movement, mimicking a mouse. Crucially, assign your primary fire, secondary fire, and agent abilities to easily accessible face buttons or triggers. Don't forget essential actions like jumping, crouching, and quickly swapping weapons for fluid gameplay. Finally, set realistic expectations and commit to practice. Playing Valorant with a controller presents a significant learning curve, as the game is optimized for precision mouse input. Spend considerable time in the practice range to hone your aim, movement, and ability usage. Experiment with different sensitivity settings to find what feels most comfortable and effective for you. While it's a fun challenge, be aware that competitive play will be extremely difficult against mouse and keyboard users.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.